Dr. G here, Mr. Godfrey or Teacher Godfrey. Now, what do we have today? Ta-da! Absolute value inequality. This is not Olodo uprising, it's intellectual uprising. Now watch how we deal with this. First of all, check my video on absolute value equation. You will see what an absolute value is. You can check my other videos. I have absolute value equation. So I'll just jump straight up to this. Did you hear me? So those of you who are fond of laughing for comedy, go and check my video on absolute value equation. You will see. So now, don't forget, when we are to treat this in two ways. When we talk about absolute value, you mean that this, my 5 minus 3x, greater than 9. That's the first part. Without the absolute value, it can be that. Then it can also be 5 minus 3x. Then this time will not be less than minus 9. Because absolute value means that what? It can be negative or positive. So, but once you put the absolute value of any negative number, you get positive. So solve this and solve that. So my minus 3x will remain. I will transpose my 5 to this side, greater than 9, take away 5. So what do I do from here? My minus 3x remain, greater than, I have 4. You know, I am going to be divided by negative 3 here now, right? So if I divide this by negative 3, this sign must change because every inequality divided by negative must change sign. So what do we do? Minus 3x over minus 3, it should now become less than 4 over minus 3. This will cancel out. Our x is less than. Minus, this take it to mixed fraction, one whole number, 1 over 3. That is it. Let's jump to this one. So we have minus 3x will remain. Transpose your 5 here becomes less than minus 9 minus 5. So my minus 3x less than. Minus 9 minus 5 will give me minus 14. So I have minus 14. So I will say divide by what? Negative again. So that will give me minus 3x over minus 3. This is less than. It becomes greater than minus 14 over minus 3. This will cross out, minus cancel minus, and x is greater than or greater than 3 here will give me 3 and 14 will give me 4 whole number 2 over 3. So how do I graph this? Watch me graph. So see my graphing and see my graphing. Okay? 0 is the reference line. So take note. It says x is less than minus 1 over 3. So 1 whole number 1 over 3. So I can put here as 1 whole number 1 over 3. Because on the left hand side is negative. Okay? And here I have x as what? 4 whole number 2 over 3. Okay, let's see how to graph it. So this is only less than. So you put your line and put a circle. Don't shade the circle because that is not equal to. There's equal to, it will shade. And it said the parts that are what? The parts that are less than. Which parts are less than? I want to see all these parts. This negative. All these parts are less than. They are less than. X equals less than minus 1 over minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So the arrow will point in this direction. Go to your 4. See, this is your 4. Don't shade this side though. So it said x is greater than. So all these parts, they are bigger than it. They are bigger than. Okay? Can you see that? That is the number line. There is no combination. They did not join. So that is what we have. So this inequality can be represented on the number line like this by solving them, even though it has what? An absolute value. Does this make sense? Doesn't make sense. I'll give you one now. Watch. I'll give you one. See, it doesn't make sense. You will solve this one now. Watch me now. I'm giving you this one. You better. I'm giving you this one. You're solving this. Solve for me, my friend. And put it in the comment section. Solve this for me before I. My friend, this is 3x minus 7 greater than. Okay? And it is greater than 1. Oh yeah, solve it and show me. Put your answer on the comment section. Now, I am going to post another video where you have less than or equal to. Stay tuned to my page. Like and share. This is not Olodo pricing. It's mathematics. Catch you in the next video.